हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज हम सीखेंगे कि किसी भी रूम को या तो बिल्डिंग को प्लानिंग करने से पहले उसकी टोटल लेंथ और विड्थ कैसे काउंट करते हैं। देखिए यहाँ पे मैंने एक एग्जांपल लिया हुआ है। एक रूम है जिसके इंटरनल डायमेंशंस लिखे हुए 5 मीटर बाय 4 मीटर और मान लीजिए कि हमें उस रूम का वॉल थिकनेस जो है वो दिया गया है 30 सेंटीमीटर। So, before designing a plan, what is the total length and total width of this room? So, simply capital L means total length. इस वॉल का थिकनेस हम लेंगे जैसे कि दिया गया है 30 सेंटीमीटर, सो 0.30 मीटर. Then this is the width of that room, that means 5 meter plus again this wall thickness 0.30 meter. So total length of this room is 5.60 meter. Now total width W is equal to this wall having a thickness 0.30 centimeter plus width 4 meter plus again this wall thickness is 0.30. So total width of this room is 4.60 meter. So it is very easy to calculate total length and width of a single room. Let's take another example. So this is our example number 2. So in this example, see 1, 2 and 3 room and veranda 2.5 meter wide. So again in this wall thickness is given 30 centimeter. So now let's calculate what is the total length and width. So now total length. So length in this direction and width in this direction. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. Now, so total length of for this example is this wall 0.30 plus this dimension 3 meter plus again this wall 0.30 plus this 3 meter. Okay, and now the last wall of this plan, so 0.30. So total length of this plan is 6.90 meter. Now what is the width, or you can also represent as a B. So from starting here 0.30, okay, plus this is a 4 meter, okay, this wall 0.30 plus again 4 meter plus this 0.30, so is equal to 8.90 meter. So if we divide into two portions this plan, this part is left side and this part is right side. So we can say left side width is 8.90 meter. Now for the right side, B is equal to, so this is a 2.50 meter wide. So you can say 2.50. So keep this in mind that veranda no need external wall. So never write here 0.30 meter. Okay, so 2.50 meter plus this wall 0.30 plus this width is here, this width is 5.80, then last one 0.30 meter. So total would be 8.90 meter on right side. So you can say length of this plan is total 6.90 meter and width of this plan is 8.90 meter. So both left and right side are same.